The UC Personal Insight question number 5. Describe the most significant challenge you have faced and the steps you have taken to overcome this challenge. How has this challenge affected your academic achievement? If you are looking at answering the PIQ number 4, it may look as though this question is similar. However, the difference is that this challenge is not strictly tied to an overall educational barrier. This challenge could be personal. It can be work or school related, or it can even pertain to something you faced in your own community. This question is meant to encompass all life's challenges, in and out of class. To get started with writing your response, think about why this challenge was significant to you. Most of the time when we think about the challenges we've faced over the years, we realize that we've grown stronger as a result. Just remember that when you write about the challenge, that it plays a supporting role in your response. You are the center of this response, the leading part. When responding to the second part of the question, reflect on whether you had support or if it was something you handled alone. How and in what ways did encountering this challenge impact the transfer journey or even your entire academic career? How did it shape you as a person and as a student today? Some topics that you can think about are being successful in a challenging course, discussing how your culture, sexual orientation, or gender impacted your academic achievement. Maybe you had to withdraw from an entire academic term, or that you're returning to college after a long absence. Usually, the experiences we gather from our challenges help to define who we are. This question isn't just for people that conquered the challenge, though. If you're currently going through it, what are you doing now to push through? And how does it affect your life and views? Don't forget that if you find that this question doesn't appeal to you, or that maybe this isn't a question that you can write about, that's no problem. Don't feel that you're stuck answering this question since there are 6 others to choose from. So take the time to explore your other options. And remember, have fun, good luck, and happy writing.